Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix CapCut security notice problem. If CapCut is showing a security notice and the app becomes unresponsive so you can't click anything, don't worry. In this walkthrough, we'll use a simple workaround that gives you a brief window to access the app and trigger the update before the error appears again. Start by opening the CapCut app and confirming that the security notice is the issue you're seeing. In this situation, the app may load, but you're unable to interact with it normally. That's expected for this process. Next, disconnect CapCut from the internet for a moment. If you're on a device using Wi-Fi, turn Wi-Fi off from the bottom right area of your screen. If you're on a desktop using a wired connection, remove the LAN cable instead. The goal here is simply to make sure CapCut launches without immediately checking online and showing the notice too quickly. Once your internet is turned off, fully close CapCut and then reopen it. This refresh gives you a better chance of getting into the app interface. After it opens, click on an old project. This helps you move into the editing workspace, where the menu options you need are easier to access. From there, go to the top left corner and click the menu. When the menu opens, move your mouse over more. This should reveal additional options. Then click on Version. You're basically navigating to the area where CapCut can check for or install a newer version, which is often what resolves the security notice problem. Now that you're in the version section, reconnect your internet. If you turned off Wi-Fi earlier, turn it back on. If you unplugged a LAN cable, plug it back in. Timing matters here because once CapCut is online again, the security notice may reappear quickly. As soon as the connection is restored, quickly click the option to install the new version before the error shows up again. If you're fast enough, CapCut should begin the update process. That update is the key part of this fix, since the notice is often caused by using an outdated version of the app. If needed, you can repeat the same process once or twice until the update button is successfully clicked. Try to move through the menu steps smoothly so that when your internet comes back on, you're ready to act immediately. And that's how to fix the CapCut security notice problem using this quick update workaround. Once the new version is installed, reopen CapCut and check whether the issue has been resolved.